Hi, this is Ru. We're now arrived at Shenzhen Sunshine Opto-electronics technology company. Established in 2011, it is a company that has been designing, manufacturing, selling, and trading of LED lamps, LED optical solution, and LED module over 12 years, which are working for outdoor light like street light, highway light, tunnel light, parking light, garden light, wall washer light, commercial lights, and indoor lights. Sunshine Opto is our own registered brand in China. Our LED lens factory has obtained ISO 9001 and RoHS certificates, many optical design patents on optical design and construction design.
There are strong and professional optical engineers to design the opticals, develop the molds, produce the LED lens with full experiences. Let me introduce our series of advanced equipments to you. We have 32 injection molding machines in the workshop, and these are the 60 tons. Including 120 tons, 180 tons, 270 tons. 300 tons is the biggest injection molding machines for the big size lens, so the average daily production capacity is from 20,000 to 30,000 pieces per day for the small mold. This is our mold room. There are some mold equipment, including 4 set CNC machines, 3 set spark machines, 3 sets milling machines, 2 sets grinding machines, 1 set lathe for the new tooling mold. It will take about 25 days to finish. Compared to other factories, it's fast and short time. These are the CNC cover machines. These are the raw materials. We provide customized OEM and ODM services. This is our testing room. We have test instruments like the integrating sphere and distributed photometer. Sunshine Opto provides perfect pre-sale, mid-sale, and after-sale service, 24-hour service, short delivery time, free samples, good quality for all customers. Sunshine Opto provides the LED light SKD parts like LED lens, PCB modules, and LED power supply. 2x6 LED module. The lens 2x6 has designed many modules for 3535 LED, 5050 LED with different angles. Our product has been applied to street light, highway light, floodlight, and more applications. It works as 20 to 35 watts with high efficiency. 28 LED module. This lens is designed for SMD 5050 lens and is working for 50 to 75 watts with 160 to 180 unit per watt efficiency. Also, we have the Meanwhile LED driver to match this module with a complete set of lighting solutions. 50 by 50 mm lens, a lot of angles for choice. For 3535, 5050, and 7070 lens, round distribution, dating distribution, symmetric and asymmetric distribution are in supply. If you have LED features, this solution can help you freely combine and match to make different powers. It's a DIY best choice. Professional services and fast delivery is our best advantages. For more LED lens, PCB module, and LED light parts, Sunshine Opto will be your right choice. Looking forward to cooperating with you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.